Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm Atarah. It's a shame I don't have anywhere to go with this look because it's really pretty. In this video, we're going to be creating this look using the Morphe 18B eyeshadow palette. So it's got 18 shades, a mixture of mattes and shimmers. So if you want to see how I created this look that I'm wearing right now, keep watching. So as you can see, I've already got my base done. So we're going to go straight into the palette, and the first shade we're going to use is this shade right here called Stacks. And I'm going to apply that pretty much all over my lid, like under my crease area. And I'm just going to focus on patting the colour on to make sure it's really intense. So I don't need to blend or anything, I'm literally just patting on. Exactly like that. So for the next shade, we're going to go into this one right here called C Note. We're going to use that to blend out that first shade, and we're going to go right into the crease and blend upwards, just like how I've done on this eye. So this time we are going to be blending, we're not going to be tapping, so I'm going to be doing small circular motions, or you can go back and forth. Slowly starting to buff out the edges, working my way along. And you want to just take your time with your blending to get a really nice flawless blend. I'm just tapping back into the palette to add more product on my brush, and then going back in and blending out in those circular motions or back and forth motions, slowly bringing it a little bit higher. Now I'm going to take this warmer yellow shade called Jackpot, and we're going to blend that right above the crease line where we blended our second colour and up towards the brow bone, like I've done on this side. We're going to be really light-handed with it. You just want to kind of dust the colour over. You don't want too much of that yellow pigment to show through. So I'm really lightly dusting it, and I don't know if you guys can see, but you kind of get that yellow tone starting to come through. So I'm not pressing hard with my brush at all. I'm just really lightly dusting it over my skin. Tapping back in. Because you kind of want that like mustardy yellow type of colour, so it's blending into that green. And once you've kind of got enough of that yellow shade on, you're going to go back with the brush we used to apply C Note, which was the colour we put in the crease, and just reapply that in the crease, blending upwards into that yellow. Again, being really light-handed, just dusting it over. And you can just see I'm going back and forth, slowly bringing it upwards into that yellow. So for my inner corner and brow highlight, I'm going to use a mixture of Kaching and Vaselina, which are those two shimmery shades right there. Then I'm going to bring those same colours that I used on my lid down here as well on my lower lash line. So I will need the mirror for this. So I'm just going to press in this shade into my lower lash line, and then of going side to side to blend it out. I don't need to worry too much about blending this one out because I'm going to be adding the next green shade, which will help to blend it out. Then in with C-Pot, wasn't it? C-Pot? C-Note. In with C-Note, which was that more army green shade that we used. And I'm just using that shade to kind of soften out the darker green a bit, so it has a nice blend. And then going into that yellow, I'm going right underneath. Now I'm going to go in with a bit of Anastasia Beverly Hills eyelash glue, and I'm just going to tap that on my eyelid where I place the eyeshadow, and then tap the Anastasia Beverly Hills Color Wave glitter on top. So this is how it looks on this eye. Get a bit of that glue on my finger and just start tapping it on. And then let it get tacky for a second. Dip into that glitter and then start pressing it on. Just like that. Just using a fluffy brush to kind of dust away a bit of that fallout from the glitter. So now I'm just going to go into my waterline with the black eyeliner. This one is Anastasia Beverly Hills again, called Darkside Gel Liner. My eyes kind of watering a bit, but I'm okay. Now I'm going to quickly add mascara and lashes. So for my top lashes, I used Unicorn Cosmetics in the style Bubble Pop. And then for the bottom lashes, I used the Mitchell collab with Tatti Lashes in the style TL Underlash. So here is the final look using the Morphe 18B eyeshadow palette. So let me know you guys' thoughts on this palette. Green is one of my favorite colors, so I absolutely love it. I love how this look turned out as well. I think the glitter just gave it that extra bit of glam and sparkle, and the eyelashes as well just make it so much more dramatic. It's got some really pretty colors in there. I feel like I say this about nearly every palette, but I just love colours. I'm a fan of more army greens and things, so I'm definitely like loving all of this side. And even the shimmer shades are really pretty as well. So let me know in the comments what you guys think of this look. Would you wear it, or is it a bit too dramatic for you? If this is your first time watching my videos, welcome. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you go and check out my other videos and subscribe to my channel. Also comment below if you're new so I can say hi, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye guys.